Hello everyone. Our topic is Ace of Doing Small Businesses. And here we are going to introduce you to Mr. Kabir Malhotra, who owns an all-in-one mall in Karol Bagh.
Hello, I'm Kabir Malhotra. I own All in One Mall. I have been running this business for nearly 7 years. When I wanted to start a business, I was unaware about the procedure. I was worried and helpless. Then a friend of mine guided me, and today I would like to share this with you all. Marketing skill development. First of all, one needs an appropriate knowledge about the basic steps before setting up a business. So, Tina ma'am, will you please continue? I have an important call to take.
Hello, I am Tina Agarwal, the head of Marketing Skill Department. So, I'm going to tell you about some basic skills that every businessman should have. Interpersonal skills. Even though a lot of marketing is done online today, marketers still end up interacting with their co workers and prospects. Of course, the medium has changed, but the concept is still the same. Therefore, you need to train your marketers on how to communicate and collaborate with other employees. Otherwise, the lack of proper communication and collaboration can lead to workplace failures. Digital advertising skills. If you want to reach your prospects faster, target your ideal audience, and increase revenue, you need to use digital advertising. Time and project management. It's easy for marketers to spend a lot of time achieving little because there are always distractions at the workplace. Luckily, time and project management will help your marketers get the best productivity possible from their time. To manage their time effectively, marketers can learn skills such as goal setting, goal tracking, breaking down goals for short periods, and creating reports about executed tasks.
So now let's move to another department, internship department. After gaining basic knowledge about business, there is need of experience, confidence and of course investment for setting up my business. Then I got to know about DMC internship department where I got small projects which helped me in character development. What would any company need to make their products and how will they make their product globally available? This comes under NSIC. Now Miss Preeti, will you explain more about it?
Hello everyone. I am the current in charge of NSIC, that is National Small Industries Corporation, which works under Ministry of Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises. Our main function is to supply domestic and imported machines, to procure and distribute imported raw material. We also export the products and we create awareness about technological upgradation and develop software technological parks.
In this way, NSIC helped me in providing raw material, exporting, and giving information about technology. Now, last but not least, when I set it up my business, I wanted to advertise it. I went to Good Luck Advertising Agency to advertise about my products. Advertising is a very crucial step after setting up your business. It helps people to know about the products you manufacture and guide them to choose best for themselves. And now I would like to show you my office, which is the result of my passion and hard work. I am very happy with my achievement which I got after a long journey.
As you saw, in this way, Kabir is able to set up his business by properly using government policies and people. These were one of the big steps that Kabir Malhotra took to reach where he is today. And if you too are planning to start your own business, you can also take advantages of these policies.
This video was made by Himangi Mishra, who was the voice behind Tina Agarwal, Ishika Saxena, who gave voice to Preeti, and Advait Nair, who played as Kabir Malhotra.